So, hello everyone. Today we're going to see the question merge two sorted linked lists from the linked list playlist. Let's just go ahead with the question. So, what the question says, you'll be given two individual heads of two sorted linked lists consisting of nodes respectively. You have to merge both lists and return the head of the sorted merge list. Okay, so let's just see. The first one that goes by 5, 10, 15, 40. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 40, null. 2, 3, 20, null. 2, 3, 20, null. This is my head 1. This is my head 2. Is that clear? Right. So post that, we'll be seeing how are we going to move it such that what we have to return head of sorted merged list. Let's go ahead. The first and the first approach that comes to your mind when it comes to sorting is to sort. Simple. You're asking me for the sorted merge list. I'll sort everything and give you. How will I sort? I will take up an array. Let's say my head 1, this has m nodes, and my linked list 2 that has n nodes. So I'll take up an array of space O m plus n. Sort this array. O m plus n log m plus n. And then iterate and then create a linked list, keep creating a linked list, putting in the values from here. So on and so forth. And then this, let's say this is head 3. I will return head 3 as the head of the sorted merged list. I hope this is correct. Actually, this is clear with everyone. So what's the space complexity going to look like? Space complexity is going to look like OM plus N. What is time complexity going to look like? ON, that is M plus N log M plus N. Right? Now let's just come to your approach number 2nd. So approach number 2nd, it's again, let's just go, I will just create up the linked list. 5, 10, 15, 20, null. Actually, it's 15, 40. 2, 3, 20, null. Now, the simple thing you have to do here is we will be iteratively sorting the merge list as we go ahead. Seems a little confusing. Let's just do a dry run, okay? So this is your head 1. This is your head 2. Okay? I create up a dummy node. 1 second. Yeah. I create up a dummy node -1. And this node, also this is your dummy node. Also, I have a pointer that is temp over here. Make sense? Okay. So head 1 and head 2 we have. Now I have to check which one is smaller. Head 2 is smaller. So I will do what? I will make this my head 1 and this my head 2. After this is done, I'll move temps next to head 1 and your head 1, temp to head 1 and head 1 to head 1's next. Okay, now let's see. This is the base condition. Now this has been done. Now I will write up a while loop, or I will just keep on checking until my both get empty, right? So first thing is, if head 1's data, right, is less than head 2's data, that means this is next in the loop, right? This is the next one in the linked list. So temps next points to head 1, temp points to head 1, head 1 points to head 1's next. Makes sense. Again, we check if head 1's data is less than head 2's data. It says no. Then we say, okay, temps next points to head 2, temp points to head 2, head 2 points to head 2's next. Make sense? Again, we check. If head 1's data is less than head 2's data, it says no. Then we say, okay, temps next points to head 2. Temp points to head 2. Head 2 points to head 2's next. Again, we check. Is head 1's data less than head 2's data? You say no. I say, okay. Temps next points to head 2. Okay. Temp points to head 2. Head 2 points to head 2's next. Makes sense. Again, I check. If head 1's data is less than equal to head 2's data, it says yes. Temps next points to head 1. Head 1 points to, temp points to head 1. Head 1 points to head 1's null. Now, can I check if head 1's data is less than head 2's data? No. Now I check again another thing that, okay, both the lists, one of them is empty. Now I have to check which one is empty. And if the other one is still there, I just have to go and join it, because the rest part, even if it had 60 here, 70 here, this was already sorted. Do you get that? So what I have to do? I have to check, okay, while head 2 is not, while head 1 is not equal to null. If head 1 is not null, what will happen? Temps next points to head 1, right? And then I keep on going, keep on building it. Okay? And if head 2 is not null, I say temps next points to head 2. Temp points to head 2. Head 2 points to head 2's next. Then again, we have to keep building these links and going forward. I hope you got that. And and this is going to take your space complexity of big O of 1. It was an iterative approach. Time complexity, OM plus N. Now, let me just quickly get onto the code part. I'll complete the code part very quick. Okay. So let's just start with the code. Okay. Node star sort merge to sorted. Node star head 1, node star head 2. First, if head 1 is null, what do I have to return? Head 2. And in the same case, if your head 2 is null, what do I have to return? Head 1. Now, if head 1's data is greater than head 2's data, what do I have to return? I have to return nothing but swap my head 1 and head 2. Make sense? Now I have to create a dummy node, that is node star dummy. New node -1. Node star temp, this points to dummy. Base case, temps next points to head 1. Temp points to head 1. Head 1 points to head 1's next. Now we'll write the iterative case. First is while head. Oh, why am I writing head? Okay. You want me to write head? I will. Okay. But it's lengthy thing, you know. Head 1. Temp is head 1. Head 1 is head 1's next. Okay. While head 1 is not equal to null, and not or, please. Okay. If head 1's data is less than head 2's data, then what will happen? Temps next points to head 1. Temp head 1 and head 1's next. Else, now if head 2's data is greater, else what? If temps, okay, else what? Temps next points to head 2. Temp is head 2. Head 2 is head 2's next. Simple. Now the thing is next. Okay, I'm writing next here. Now let's say one linked list, it just ended up. It's actually a what would I say? Merge sort technique of solving this. While head 1 is not equal to null, what would you do then? That means head 1's linked list is left. Then you will point your temps next to your head 1. Temp to your head 1 and head 1 to your head 1's next. For the same, if your head 2 is left, what will you do? You'll move your temps next to head 2, temp to head 2, and head 2 to your head 2's next. Make sense with this? And then in the end, what will you return? You will return your dummy nodes next, because that is your merge sorted links. Time complexity, space complexity, we've already discussed before. If you have any doubts, please make use of the comment section. Please make use of your, the G forms attached for any questions you want me to take up next. If you like the video, just go in, like the video if you were able to extract something out of the video. And yeah, subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye.